So my name is Peace Toigat. I am a finalist student of law here at Africa Nazarene University. Choosing Africa Nazarene University was not a hard thing because I think it speaks for itself. I looked up a law school that would be holistic in nature, integrate faith, integrate learning, integrate practical lessons, and Nazarene came at the top of my list, and that's why I chose Nazarene. My first impression of Nazarene was that it is a very beautiful environment, very green, very serene, well manicured gardens, a beautiful place to study and to grow holistically. I think what I had in mind was very narrow, but being here at Africa Nazarene University has enabled me to widen my scope of thinking and the way I look at things. So the experience was not what I expected, it is just better than what I expected. I think one thing I really appreciate with being in the Africa Nazarene Law School is that those experiences bring the practical side of law. Law is not just theory, it has a lot of practice to it. And being able to engage in these activities and in these clubs, I was able to have a more holistic approach and look at my study of law, hence sharpening my skills both academically and practically. Those experiences were nothing short of life-changing because again, like I said, Africa Nazarene wants to develop the holistic person beyond what academics offers. And so being in the spaces of Christian union and even engaging with the community in other activities helped me to grow my spiritual side and my community side, being that Africa Nazarene University is based on 3 C's: character, competence, and community. It was a new thing, and I think change is always inevitable, and it is good to start being comfortable with change. And so being a participant in the business entrepreneurship class was very eye-opening, especially for a student of law who many times you don't interact with things to do with business or entrepreneurship, but how the school's curriculum has been incorporated and inculcated made it very plausible and easy for myself as a law student to engage with business concepts and to equip myself, because eventually I will open a business and these skills will be very necessary even as I do so. Christian union and my work and journey here at Africa Nazarene University are almost synonymous, because only in my first year was I not involved in the Christian union. It has become part of me, it is part of my story, part of my journey, and most especially Celebrate Recovery, which was an honor and a privilege to be part of, being the first university in Kenya to have Celebrate Recovery as a ministry that is running. So these experiences have really shaped the person that I have become. I now believe a lot more in community and being together and empowering each other, because that is the philosophy that is pushed and believed in here at Africa Nazarene University. I probably have 2, but the first one is back in 2024 in March, when we launched Celebrate Recovery here at Africa Nazarene University. After a rigorous training, and finally we were able to launch the ministry, and 2 years on we are more than grateful to God for what has come of it and for the stories and the lives that have been changed even in that program. Another one was when we did the clinical legal education, which is a unit at the law school where we get to recreate what exactly happens in court, to practice what litigation looks like, and to do that just with the amazing friends that law school had brought my way was an immaculate experience. To dress up as lawyers, to argue out in court, it was a beautiful experience that I will not forget. What I will miss most about Africa Nazarene University is the people. I found a space where people are very genuine, people are loving, people are warm. Unlike some places that I have been to before, this place is different. It is home. And I know even if I am leaving, this will always be my home. I can always come back here and find my people. Without a doubt, even as the saying goes, what begins here transforms the world. I think I have what it takes to transform the world. Africa Nazarene University has changed the way I think, the way I look at things, and it has given me a larger view of the world, telling me that go ye and prosper, and that the world is my oyster. So I am more than willing and ready to take what it has given me and to transform the world.